Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 3 of the travel vlog. So we have an excursion today, and it's currently 6:30 in the morning, Dominica time, 5:30 Jamaican time. So we're going to head down for breakfast and then come back up, pack up a little because our transportation company picks us up at 7:20 because I think the excursion starts at about 8. So we are going to Monkey Island today to interact with some monkeys and do a plantation tour where we will sample coffee and local Dominican things. So I will definitely take you guys along the journey because I'm excited. If you know me, you know me love a little excursion, you know me love plantation tours, you know the vibe. So I'm off to vlog that, of course. So yeah, see you guys later. So I got this hat from Stitches by Imani. This was one of the pieces that I definitely wanted to wear, and I'm gonna tell you, the hat sit down on my head, like she make it on my head. So beautiful, and it's not heavy, it's not too thick, it's not bulky, nothing like that. I love it. We're here. It's over on the corner. The last one. I think I put honey on this by mistake. I put honey on it by mistake. And then I realize and then I put syrup, so it's sweet. Yeah, in the dark, man. Come down on the third one, but it's dark. It will come down, when it like me frightened. That look like a honey. Find the steak. I just want to say she always find the omelette. Thank you, or grassy. So we are off to Monkey Island. Our tour company is here, and let's go. Today is supposed to be exciting. Let's go.
One of our best friends. My friends, on behalf Dominican Republic, we want to say thank you. We are so happy, so glad to see you here in my country. Thanks to you, I have a job today. He too. Unlike us, almost 1 million Dominicans today they have a job, and so they sponsor their families. Thanks to you. But up here is an avocado tree.
You guys know that we'll take like an education today.
Disco. Here, left hand side. Look at the disco. Look at the disco. Right behind is a car wash.
Car. No car.
From here, look at the fried chicken, the salad, and cheese. Dumpling. ¿Cómo se dice dumpling? And right hand side is another car wash and fish. Right hand
Fresh
side.
fish. I don't know, say it just put on today.
Down there. Reach. Outside, the Cock Fighting Club is the building in orange and black color over there. The rooster that fight until death. The right hand side is a fried chicken restaurant. And then a Catholic church. See you tonight!
Them police clothes
please.
look like soldier clothes.
Here. So 60% Dominicans are Catholic and we speak Spanish.
Yes.
Cocoa in different colors.
Okay.
Green,
Red.
red, orange, brown, yellow. Because there are 7 different colors.
Oh.
Get your camera ready, please. Left hand side is the view of the mountain. Left.
Wow. This is so pretty.
Here the green balls. No. C'est passion fruit. Dame un pasito. Un poquito adelante. A pasito. Es passion fruit. Okay. Dale, vea.
It looks like thirsty bush.
Ajá.
Down low. Oh.
Morado. Keep in mind the color because later we are going to see different colors. Of the tree here. It's an orchid.
Oh, that's an edible. It's edible.
There are 3,000. There are 3,000 different kinds of orchids around the world. In Dominican Republic, we have 2,000 of them.
Wow.
This one is edible.
Okay.
It's an edible orchid.
Yes.
The white vanilla is made in Mazatlan, Mexico.
Okay.
Vanilla is great for baking, ice cream, cake, cocktails, and for the barbecue sauce too. Okay, please, let me show you more. Let's taste the chocolate. About the chocolate, look at the cocoa bean.
That is vanilla. Vanilla orchid.
Cocoa bean.
Cocoa beans. Green cocoa beans.
Cocoa here.
Oh.
4 months later, look how big. So a cocoa takes 4 months to grow and get ripe. So we have cocoa beans 3 times every year.
Yeah.
Average 700 cocoa per tree every year.
Wow.
Inside the cocoa, there are 40 to 60 white nuts. Inside the white nuts is the real color of chocolate.
Yes.
Please, please, please. Green color, red color, orange color, because there are 7 colors, 7 types of cocoa beans. Now, let me take one of them and open it for you. So inside the cocoa beans, there are 40 to 60 white nuts. What we have to do with the white nuts? Leave it to dry out for the next 7 days down there. 7 days later, it looks like almonds. Okay. If you want to touch it and smell it, go ahead.
Oops,
please.
sorry.
The another one is coffee. The little bean is coffee. Another one is cacao. Cocoa bean is too expensive. Smell it.
Smell nothing like chocolate, it just smells sweet. I have a sweet nutty smell. Right here just smells so nice. You know, smell it? Naturally extracted coconut oil. Yeah.
That, you see the oil? If you put in the freezer for 1 day, 1 day later,
Okay.
it turns white, it looks as a paste, which means that it's real. So, in your country, if you have a snow, take the coconut oil. When you get there, it will look like this, which means that it's real. Just in case, if you take the oil and when you get home, it's still liquid, it's fake.
Oh.
It's not coconut oil. Another one, but not coconut. Coconut oil, the real one.
Oh, that's why it stays.
And then what we have to do is this. Put it on warm water for just couple minutes. Couple minutes later,
It come back.
So now, look at this. Just couple minutes. In couple minutes, it will look like this. In few minutes, I mean.
Thank you.
Supposed to be kind and gentle. 40 to 60 white nut. Abracadabra. White nuts. Okay.
Don't want to taste good, Zachary.
No,
Mm-hmm.
no. You're not
Okay.
changing my mind. I'm
What we have to do
right
next? Let the white nuts outside to dry out for the next 7 days. 7 days later,
The one
please
is sweet,
look
Doc.
how different.
now. No, please stop talking in my phone.
Days later, when it get dried, it looks like almond. One, after them to eat one per day, it helps to keep the balance.
Okay.
And this is the way, please. But, as Michael Jackson say, is be there, be there, be there, be there. Okay, what we have to do next? Notice that no chemicals, no machines. Now, please.
Hello.
Thank you.
Please, smell it and taste.
Mm-mm.
What? This one.
This person. Martin.
What's wrong with your foot? What's wrong with your foot? And your mouth?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Martin. A real dark chocolate, this, you know. It tastes of
smell it.
chocolate. Mm. Smell nice.
Cocoa is bitter.
Couldn't get a bag.
And then boil it for the next 5 hours. 5 hours later, the fat, the oil, move to the top.
Okay.
Then take a tablespoon, take out the fat from the cocoa and Do you remember what happened with the coconut oil?
Yes,
When it get
you
cold,
put it cold.
It turned white. It look as a paste. So put on the freezer. Put on the freezer for 1 day. 1 day later, the oil it turned white. It look as a paste. I mean, this is what you get a day after.
So
Please,
white chocolate
smell
with
it,
cocoa butter,
smell it, and
mixed with
touch it,
sugar.
and pass it down, please.
Wow.
Okay, the next one, please. Coconut has 2 eyes and a mouth. Look at this, the coconut, all of them have 2 eyes. And this kind of vanilla means melaza. There are another one, no melaza. Both of them great for baking, ice cream, cake, cocktails, for the barbecue sauce. Even ladies, if some of you at home have problem with the humidity, just wear a couple drops of vanilla on the floor, and the drops of vanilla it will absorb the humidity.
You hear that?
No matter white or dark vanilla. Your boys,
And it all
your
smells more
girls,
organic.
please,
Yeah.
don't
Black
try
vanilla.
this at home. It's too dangerous. Please don't try this at home. Please, Radhaman, can you open it for me?
White vanilla.
Look at this, please. I don't recommend you to try this at home. Then the coconut, when it fall off from the tree, 6 months later it get dried, and then it will look like this. Look what happens 6 months later.
Is that them take make bumbo brush?
This one is heavy. Light.
No, and that make calabash is a different fruit make
6
calabash.
months later. Light. Oh, this one. Heavy. Look what happens 6 months later.
Okay.
The starch sauce. Inside the coconut, look at the big picture.
This it tastes fresh and nice and cool. It's staying?
Yeah, coconut stain.
Until you want some?
Radame, please show. Right? What we have to do next, Radame? We need to grate it for the next couple minutes. Now squeeze it. Ladies and gentlemen, coconut milk. Yes? Hey. This is the same kind of milk that your hotels use for piña colada, banana mama, and coconut. Then, how to get the oil from it? Simple like this.
Boil
Take
it.
the coconut milk, leave it inside the bottle for 7 days.
Oh.
7 days later, the fat moves to the top.
Smells nice. Coffee smells good. Nice. Yeah, so you can clear your palate. Yeah, it no smell. Yeah, it no our Blue Mountain coffee.
See,
Sorry.
we just to think like this, please. It's too hot, and be careful with your legs and tongue. It's too hot. And please, over there, the family there, here, and over here, please, eat from the sugar cane. Then, my right hand side is the model number 2. Model number 2. And model number 2 is coffee, no sugar. So I want to see your hands, please. Coffee with no sugar. Okay.
Very hot.
Gracias.
Which one?
Chocolate.
A chocolate.
The parents, please help your children because the chocolate is too hot. Please help them. It's too hot.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is it bitter? The view is beautiful. What a nice view, man. Monkey. Watch him, you know? He chopping on the side. Ui.
The guy told me to put it on, so I'm going to take it off.
My dad has a backpack. Oh, wait.
As mommy stepping. Them say look down, say don't step on them tail. Yeah. Oh my, should I jump on mine? The monkey jump on your mommy? Oh my, no, you're supposed
Mommy said. That's what mommy said.
More flowers in my ear so them can jump on
Now,
me.
please say it.
I'm ready.
We're going to start with you.
Okay, great. Come on,
Put
my
your hands in
head.
front, please.
Jesus.
Hello, you little monkey.
Okay, put your hands in front, please. And look at him. Open your eyes for me. Yeah, that's it.
Hello, you love me though.
Fried rice and pork.
Fried rice and pork. Mommy.
El zoom. Como le meto el zoom.
Now.
¿Y qué es para de esto?
Nell.
Them
Por
soft.
esto mismo.
You get a head massage, Auntie Shireen.
I tell you.
You're nice though. You just compose up like Daisy.
No quiero enfocar la
Him just catch up. I'm a friend.
No, that's not no. You know how mommy stay.
That's why I said take the phone.
Can't hold it. Because it's your
Come.
Now, I'm going to give you more food for your own pictures. It's
Okay.
your time now. Stay around the railing. Keep the bowl of fruit with you and use your phone. Please, don't move your feet. I'm going to do a round. One family at a time. Right?
Zachary, take the thing off. You see them? Nah, bong, sit down. This is perfect. Like if you love adventure, if you love them little animal interaction thing here, come. I grab him, I just tell him for come. What you mean?
No, step now up.
Ve tirándole. Anda pa'l diablo. Qué hombre que está.
You afraid, Auntie? Auntie, open your eye, no? No. Yes.
Hey, or we can come out.
Oh, for make him come.
Push it tense. Drop your shoulder, girl.
Auntie, drop your shoulder.
Auntie, breathe in.
Drop your shoulder.
Breathe in.
See him come off. Oh, gone. I love this. Come. Yeah, man. You see yourself?
Get ready for a big, get ready for a leap.
This monkey tour. Nice. Hmm?